Hello. I realized I don't even have Fusion up, and my tablet is here. I'm gonna move that. Chords. Oh, I got a ping in the Discord too. There we go. Okay, let me pull Fusion up. Just been having a little bit of a snacky. I think it's so funny because I wanted to start streaming later so that more people could see it, because I feel like when I'm in PST, people in EST can like catch my streams later in the day. But now I'm just streaming earlier. It's good for no one. But I have an event later, so. I'm very excited for this CAD, actually. I think it's going to be super cool. I'm going to do my best to make it... Well, I'm going to do my best to get it to a place where I can do the engineering part of it. I might not be able to get there right away, but I'm excited about it. Okay. Wait, why am I not up? Hey, there we go. Alright, where is Fusion? Hello, Fusion. There we go. Man, I really need to change a lot of things. I will say, though, I installed Unity Hub, and I installed the Warudo SDK, so if things go well today, I can mess around with that, and maybe, like, this screen will look a lot better, and the lighting will look a lot more dynamic, and you can throw metal pipes at me and things like that. Hopefully. It's a pipe dream, maybe. Alright, let's name this. Oh shit, I actually don't have a name for this. I have just been calling it Andrew, which is the name of the company. Huh. Well, I'll just call it that for now. I don't have a name for it, which that's actually kind of whack. Normally I name stuff. Okay, wait, let me show you. Oh, I didn't show you guys the render! Oh my gosh. I'm very excited about this. It came out well. So let's see. Let me pull this up, because I also need to reference it. Lol. Where are you? Where are you? Peeled damie. Oh yeah, I was trying to do that one Twitter meme, but it didn't work. What is Snapdragon? Is it just like a phone thing? I only know it as a phone. Where is this? Sketching Final? No. Where is this? Oh, here. So this is my chair. It's the CPU? Oh, okay. So I do know what it is. This is what we're gonna be building. It's symmetrical, so sure is captivating. That's good. I can't lie, I have no idea what's going on in Thermo. It's so hard. What are you doing right now? I'm not taking it yet, but I'm going to be taking it in 2 weeks. Well, roughly 2 weeks. I'm excited for Thermo. I'm ready to get back into Reynolds transport. Energy balances. I don't really know what goes on in our Thermo class. Wait, let me see if the textbook has been released, because no one has put together their canvases. Classic teachers, you know what I'm saying? Professors, am I right? I don't know what the textbook is. I don't know what the content is. I kind of just assumed that it was like, I think we do a lot of what's the word? It's like finding thermal constant type stuff? Question mark? I think that's what it's called. Why is this? Oh. It's like, why is my password not working? Let me see, one sec. Like, I don't get it. We did a compressor, but we assume the system is closed and mass is going in and out of the system. Oh, that's funny, because for fluids, we had to do all that kind of stuff already. Somewhat. It's a lot about selecting the system. I don't know, that is how it could be. So, like, you can have a system that's closed within a system that's open, if that makes sense. If you don't include the parts that are open. Like, you know? It depends. It depends. What does this mean? Well, so if you have... It's just like it's possible that you could have something, right? Like an object. We chose the system of gas, yeah, inside the compressor, so it's closed. I would have to see. I would have to see a diagram to, like, to see. If it's like you select, it's kind of like in fluids where you can say, like, oh, I'm selecting the inside of the walls versus the outside of the walls. If you select the inside of the walls, your life becomes hell, because then you have to deal with internal pressures and stuff. And then if you select the outside, then everything is beautiful because it's atmospheric pressure. But it's really very similar, so it's like you kind of don't get a feel for it until you see a lot of systems. Let me see. I don't think my thermo has opened yet. Wait. Wait. No, it hasn't. Awesome. Wait, let me see the screenshot. I'm interested. Oh, this looks like fluids. Let's go. Okay. I miss fluids. I am a nerd. Wait. It's so tiny. Oh my god, it's so tiny. A compressor is operating in conditions steady state mode to produce a gas at a temperature and a pressure. Oh yes, this. Yes, this is just Reynolds transport, but like, the thermal version of Reynolds transport, but it doesn't have. It's like an average instead of a time derivative. Where M is the gas, here we take the system is enclosed by the dotted lines. Later we have chosen the system is that. Yeah, this is just like control volume analysis. I actually have... Oh wait, it isn't posted just yet, but I do have control volume. I have fluids control volume stuff. I might have a... I think I did some thermo. Well, I did some like air stuff. I don't know if that's all thermo is, but... Oh yeah, this is straight up just Reynolds transport, I think, control volume analysis. Let me see, with the notation of the closed system, behavior... Okay, I think the reason why it's probably confusing is because it doesn't seem like they're talking about it like Reynolds transport. And Reynolds transport... Oh my gosh, hi Rev, how's it going? I can... Okay. Oh, I want to like explain it so bad. It's been a while since I've done it. Okay. I think it's because they're just not giving you the proper... They're like saying, oh, do it this way, just figure it out. It's like, no, like there's a proper way to do this, and like we didn't do specifically work and heat transfer until after we did the more basic mass... Because basically fluids or thermo is like bookkeeping mass, is the way that my professor described it, right? So it's like, you need to start out by saying, where's the mass going? I don't understand how it can be closed as an open system. It depends on how you... It might be closed. Let's see. It's operating in continuous steady state manner. That's probably why. It's probably because it's flowing over... I may not talk as much as I'm doing assignments, but I hear you. Don't say anything evil. It starts... Mass is constant at steady state. Mass is... So, steady state is talking about, like, the flow of mass. It's been a while since I've done this. I don't want to, like, say anything wrong. I'm assuming the steady state is why they're saying it's a closed system. But it could also be... Like, I'm not sure, because like closed system, I think is maybe just a descriptor of the fact that there's an object like around surrounding it. Like you see how like they're selecting the outside of the compressor? That might be what they're referring to as well. They're saying the system is the gas inside, not the system. Oh, okay. But it says the system is enclosed by the compressor, which means if you put your control volume around this, that means that you're also including the walls. So this is improperly drawn. I mean, the thing about like drawing a control volume like this, right, is so if you're tracking, let's say you're just trying to do your mass version of Reynolds transport theorem, which is like your basic thing you should always start with if you're doing control volume analysis. If you're trying to track mass, basically you have like two states. You're saying like, okay, we have the initial state that it's starting at, and then how much it's moved, right? So if you have stuff moving across boundaries, you'll be able to track that. And because of the, like, that's like kind of like setting the two sides of the equation equal, right? Because all the stuff that's in there before should be somewhere else after. It just kind of depends on where it is. The compressor itself, the walls of the compressor aren't changing. So if you actually select the compressor, right, you don't have to account for the mass of the compressor because it's just going to cancel out on both sides. So that might be what they're doing, but they're not explaining that. They take their... Yeah, exactly. Yeah. There's no system boundary disruption. Like if the mass of the compressor, maybe if the compressor was changing shape, or if it was, I don't know, if it was losing, if it was being like dissolved or something, and it was losing mass, then you'd have to change that. But it's not changing. So if you're looking at both of the sides of it, like it's not gonna matter. You know, wait, okay, one thing I can do is I can send you the fluids textbook that I used, and it might have more explanations. What was the fluid textbook I used called? Let me see if I can find it. This is hard. It's hard if you aren't taught the first part of it, which, yeah, that would be really fucking hard. Oh my god. Jumping straight into it is not the same as, like, not teaching you Reynolds transport theorem. But again, I don't know, like, you said this is a transport class, not a thermo class, or is this a thermo class? Oops, sorry, I'm checking my other computer right now. Let's get this straight to the budget. Oh, this is thermo. It's a funny way of describing it. Let me see if I can find this. Okay, Pritchard Fox McDonald's Fluid Mechanics. That's the book that I use. I use it. There's a free 2011 version online. It's not bad. It's fine. Just if you search for the PDF, Pritchard Fox McDonald's. Whoa, Damie live? A Damie live. This is beautiful. I'm in tears. I have a schedule. I put it on my schedule. So if you want to find the thermo stuff, I would read Chapter 4, Basic Laws for a System, Conservation of Mass. And then, if you want to actually figure out the thermo stuff, go to First Law of Thermodynamics, 4.8. It's gonna have, like, calculus stuff. This is like dying and seeing God. I don't look at schedules. Yeah, First Law of Thermodynamics. It's gonna talk about work. So it tells you, like, how to... She never went over the first law? What? She's like, don't worry about it. She's like, QW, those are just letters. I should read the first chapter of my other textbook. This is not like first chapter stuff. This is chapter 4 in my fluids. And we only did like 8 chapters. There's a example, okay, this is very specific. Example 4.16 is a compressor problem with the first law. And it's similar to this type thing. It's a circular compressor, but it's not any different. It has work in it though. Yeah, it's hard because, like, you know, what work? Wait, she has work going in? Like, why? What work is happening here? There's no work. It's just there. Unless you're, unless you're defining the, ugh, wait, no, there's no way that would happen. There's no way they would be defining, like, loss. That's crazy. There's no way. That would be awful. That would be horrendous. Because there is, like, shear work. As the gas moves through, right? Like, friction, essentially, happens. And there's work that's done by that, but there's no way. She never explained the theory. She's just giving us equations and talking about it. Yeah, that's not teaching, unfortunately, for her. What happens when my cohort got combined with the one in front of us, and they moved thermodynamics back a semester? Oh, so is there another class you're supposed to take before? This is what I'm gonna do in CAD, by the way. It's a chair. Or, well, it's kind of 2 chairs, but, you know. Cohort in front of us got to take Physical Chemistry 1, which is all of the theory behind Okay, I see. So what the what? Why would they just... You can't learn it without learning it. What the fuck are they thinking? That's so stupid. I'm sorry. Just like, oh my god. Like, what? Made us take thermostat bad, so I'm getting wrecked. Skill issue? No, that is not a... That's... educational issue. I'm gonna do a spline, I think. I probably need to do a spline for this. I hate splines. I don't hate splines. I think they're funny. This probably should be continuity. That one definitely should be continuity. The amount of times I've heard, oh, this is just a PChem problem, but I've never... What happens? What is PChem? PChem is physical chemistry? What is that? Because for us... I'm trying to think. PChem is like... I've heard it discussed, in, like... tales of people saying... Basically quantum and thermodynamics? Wait, that's so weird. Chemistry is weird. I don't know why. I don't know why I did that. That's fine, that's fine. I just need to do this. Why don't they just have you take, like, normal fluids or something? Like, I guess because normal fluids is not atomic level. Not expecting to be hit with the fact that thermo would be harder than quantum. I feel like... So my brother is doing chemistry. I think quantum, if you've taken physics, is probably closer to that than thermo is to anything you've done. Oh, you do have to take fluids. Oh, interesting. Why does this look so doofy? Oh, because it's small. Radius. Lol. There we go. Fluids is kind of like exciting because it's just so different. But it's kind of scary because it's so different, you know? Fluids is next semester. I really love fluid mechanics. I was definitely, like, coping so hard. I think it's funny because I'm finally uploading those VODs now. And I'm just like, oh my god, I'm not very good at this. But, how big is a foot? I'm gonna say this is 1.5 feet across. Uh, 1.5 feet. Yeah, so that's quite a lot bigger than... There we go. Fluids is just, I don't know, it's so joyous to me. How big, how thick do I want? Like, I want it to be an armrest, so maybe like 5 inches? It's so over. No. 5 inches. Yep. Okay, that is... What the heck is happening? Oh. Okay, I need to offset this the other way. Thermo's gonna be hell. No, it's okay. I swear, when I'm gonna be in thermo, so I got you. You just gotta make it through like a little bit, okay? I believe in you. Why is that so... Wait, 5 inches is huge. That is not 5 inches. That's like 2 inches. It's kind of doofy, but it's fine. It's better. I guess I want it to come out a little bit, and then... fill it. It's fine. I feel like thermo will be fun. For me. Sorry, not for you. I have a new teacher, but I'm honestly just like... Or I think the professor I have is like a new professor. But honestly, I'm just happy because I was very close to getting the professor who is like the worst... Like, the worst rated professor ever. Like, I don't know how she's still around bad rating professor. And I was like, I'm getting her. I'm getting her and it's gonna be bad. And then I didn't get her, so I'm just like, I'm fine with whatever happens. Because I don't have her. I mean, I'm sure, like, I would be fine. But... yeah, she got, like, average 28% on her midterms, so... You should request her? No. Oh my god, no. I don't think she's teaching... I think she's teaching fluids this semester or something. My roommate had her for statics, and I felt so bad. Because he's not, like... He's not bad at anything. He's, like, smart. But her exams are just, like... brutal. Like, so brutal. Okay, I think this is a good start. She scares me. But I actually feel like we would kind of be besties. Because, like, I had one of the other worst professors. He's, like, not mean, though. He was a good, meaning guy. He's just not very good at teaching a very simple subject. Sorry. No shade, but shade. Let's see, this is base material. It's gonna be a little wacky to do this. I kind of want to fill it one other thing. Professors are kind of funny. I don't know. I think it makes me feel a lot better that about calling myself an educator, just because I feel like I can do that with how bad some of my professors are. You know. I hate when a professor's like a silly sweetheart, but they suck at teaching. I'm like, you're so goober, but I can't... Exactly. This guy was like, why am I getting 50% averages on my midterms? It must be because the students aren't studying enough. like, broski, that is not the issue. That is not the issue, King. You are not teaching this content well. The heck? Oh. Where does this end? What? There? I guess I have to do it on the other side too. I broke my constraints. Sniffles shadowy. There to there? Okay, there we go. And the big one is closed, but I can do that. There we go. Yeah, some profs I'm like, you know, I could fix you. And then I'm like, I don't have the bandwidth to do that for a person who is not that great, you know? Alright, how tall are we thinking? We are thinking short. How tall is a normal person sitting down? Average person... shin height. No. Yes. No? Yes. Average seat height. I don't know what the average seat height is. 18 inches high. Wait, what? I'm gonna make it 15. Oh, this is 15! I'm awesome. I feel like I should have a bigger fillet there, but we can deal with that later. It's gonna be so fillet central. Okay, now I have to think about having to do this. I need to have this be offset. Is this a short one or the tall one? This side is the short one. So extrude this. Offset. Oh my gosh, it was so funny. I was looking for stuff to... because I realized I should probably definitely put that I can do detailed drawings in my portfolio, etc. And I was looking at my detailed drawings because I was like, oh, you know, which ones should I put in here? And I found, like, detailed drawings are like for manufacturing drawings, basically. They're just kind of like the stuff that you... Actually, I shouldn't fillet that because I'm gonna surface it. Oh, surfacing this is gonna be kind of a pain in my booty. How thick is 2 inches? That's pretty thick. I feel like I can go 1.5. Yeah, I was looking for stuff to put in my portfolio, and I found like this. I found like the worst detailed drawing I ever did. It was for my final for my assembly class, and it was sometimes a detailed drawing to get all the information you need on there. If you're doing geometric tolerancing stuff, you just don't have enough space on the page to not have it look like someone just tripped and dropped a bucket of numbers like all over it. It looked so bad, and I was like, I want to put this here because it's correct, but it's just really funny how bad it looks. And I always try to make my detailed drawings look nice because I think you should. And I was like, I can't make this nice. I cannot make this nice for the life of me. Like, I cannot. Yeah, this will force me to do the surfacing on that, so that'll be good. Okay. So, in my drawing I have everything very smooth. Oh, textbook time? I have 2 of them. I found that should help me with the theory part. Okay, nice, yeah. Determining boundaries. Yeah, drawing control volumes is the hardest part of any control volume problem, or the most important part, so definitely use that. I believe in you. You got this. If you have a question, I can try to help. I might not be able to get it exactly, but... Oh, it's so over. Thank you for the help. Yeah, of course. It's not over. You got this. Oh my god, that's the biggest fillet ever. Why did I make it 2 inches? I feel like I should just fillet it. I feel like I shouldn't do, like, fancy surfacing here. It doesn't really need it. Like, it's kind of cute. You're so cracked, I need your brain for real. Always my go-tutor, yeah. I'm just stubborn. That's really the best, that's the best trait. Can I get another edge in this group? Nope, I can't. That's fine. I kind of just want to get rid of this other one, so then I can get rid of both of them and do them. I want, like, maybe I can do this? I don't know if this is gonna work. If I do a rolling ball fillet, maybe it'll work. Yeah, so no. That didn't work. Oh. Oh. I need to lock back into when I took physics 2. 7 hours study days? No. It's not good for you. You need your brain at full capacity. That looks awful. Can I get like a setback? Can I get the curvature? Doesn't matter. I want a setback. That also looks bad. Awesome. I'll just do this. Maybe it just needs to be smaller. Maybe I need 0.5. Yeah, that's more. That's nicer. And then this one. And this one? Maybe? Right, it was 0.5. Non-toroidal blend geometry, not moving along edge. This is not an error I've seen before. It works on the other side though, which is weird. Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of this one. Maybe rolling ball. I don't think the setback matters. Well, I mean, I like setback better, so we'll select setback. I might need to do some fancy... Like, I could cut this, and then loft it is probably the better option. Yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of this. And that's fusion. Okay, I think the way I want to do this table, so it comes down, which I just realized it comes down, so I need to... I guess I just do a cut, and then loft. I don't even need to loft it, really, low-key. Just do a cut here, and then... I think maybe start... I'll project this edge here. And then we'll do a spline. And then make this... Ah! What? Yeah, Bezier curve type shape. I like it. That's like a little too rough though. Let's make it... Wait, can I actually get that in the midpoint? That would be really, really nice. If I did midpoint of this and midpoint of this, ooh! Yahoo! Do a little bit of magic. Nice. I was pretty close to... Oh, shoot. If I move this one. Yeah, I think about there. Alright. I should make those construction geometry. Then we just cut. It's kind of giving, like, kids slide. I don't know if that's a good thing. I think I might need to make this longer. We'll figure it out. I should just get the thing that I need to get. Okay. I need to make a loft for the middle of this, so I need to make the footprint of that first. The footprint of that table is gonna look like... This is the rename. This is a table slope. Right. So the table is gonna look like, I don't know, something like this. That is very large. I think this is gonna be smaller. Oops. Can I make a midpoint on this and have it be... Oh, yes, please. Much better. Okay. Why is that and that connected? What is happening here? Why are these two in any way connected? What the hell is happening? Okay, hold up. Okay. Apparently I can slide that. I don't want to be able to slide that. These are supposed to be equal. Were they not equal before? I don't know. Now this and that should not be connected. They are not. Okay, good. They are. Why is it doing that? Wow, you became an architect? Oh. Hey Storm, how's it going? I am not an architect. I am doing product design. But I still do, hey, I still do, don't worry. I do math. I'm taking a math minor, even, so hopefully I'll take a partial differential equations course at some point. Maybe in the spring. I have to see when it fits into my schedule. What the... Why is this so... This is so temperamental. Maybe I should just constrain this, and then it won't be temperamental. You follow an almost good way. I know, I wanna do product design. That was what I was excited about. But it's kind of hard in a mechanical engineering program. You know how it is. Fillets. I used to do this stuff too. It's just I didn't do the whole, whoa. I did a lot more mechanical parts, which I don't honestly mind. I think doing the mechanical solid modeling is fun, but I think this stuff is even more fun, because surfacing is really fun. And they did not teach me that. You start your first research year? Oh my gosh. What are you working on? Why is this happening like that? You are stupid. Wow, it really is silly. What is this equal to? I'm just gonna make it a 3-point arc. Your math stuff is always so cool. I'm very jealous. That's fine, I don't really need to constrain those fillets, but I will. 0.5, I think I said. Okay, that should now be better. In topology and geometry, my subjects are algebraic topology and complex differential geometry. That's awesome! Is there a specific, have you found your specific area within those, or is it more of a general thing, or do you decide it later, or? I think the table needs to be pretty small. So what's up with table slope? Doesn't like E? Is there a projection that I goofed up? Oh, probably. It's probably this projection here. Let's see. Okay, come on. Turn that off. Get rid of that. Oh, what is this? I don't know what this is. This is just a big... Oh, it's the plane that it's made on. That's funny. I don't know, I think that's the... Currently, I choose my area as the subjects, but I do not have a specific subject at the moment. Probably choose one in January. That's so cool. Are you doing, like, a master's equivalent then? Is that, like, your thesis, or is it something else? This and this need to be coincident. This is still there. But I just need to, now I need to project this onto there, and I think I should be good. Yeah. The year before your PhD. Oh, that's so cool. I kind of wish I could get a PhD, but then I'm like, no, that's a lot of school. Not that it's a bad thing. I think it's a great thing. I also love learning, so it's like kind of a win-win. But well, that's this sucks. That's the worst little slope ever. I'll probably have to start it here instead of here. That's awful. Wow. I love learning too. Yeah. It's so fun. Like, why wouldn't anybody like, why I would never want to stop learning. It's sad. But it takes a lot of time. Yeah, I think also I've definitely learned that learning from classes is it's not always like the best. I like to learn Girls not like people like me, sadly. That's not true. That's not true. I think you're awesome. I think lots of girls would like you. There are girls who do research, you know? Okay, I need to do an offset plane to the midpoint of this. That's this. So I need to go into base material and make a little midpoint there. Whoa, I don't know why I did that. I think I'll meet a girl after I obtain field medal if I continue like... Aw, no, you got this. I believe in you. You'll find an awesome person who likes math. Or doesn't, I don't know, maybe you don't want your partner to like math. I think it doesn't matter that much to me. I just like to yap about engineering. So they just have to be okay with me yapping about engineering. This is loft middle. I do not search for girls especially. Okay, yeah. So it's like... But, I mean, you meet people in your field, you know? Sometimes you just meet somebody and you're like, oh, hey, we both like this thing. You know? When I'm lofting this, I'm going to be lofting it from the bottom to the top with the... Yeah, so I'll have to make a top one of that. I need to do this, project include, project. It's going to be the top. I'll symmetry it. Just want a girl who's interested in my feelings and my day, but even if she does not understand what I do. Yeah, that's nice. You're doing something cool? What are you working on? It's totally fine to lurk, by the way. I lurk all the time on, like, every single stream I'm on. Lol. I will always appreciate lurkers. Oh, I hit escape! I always do this! Every time I make a spline, it's, like, mandatory that I accidentally hit escape at least once before I get it right. There we go. Okay, so it needs to be like there. Be like there. And then I guess kind of make this smaller. Yeah! Yeah! And then make this smaller. Make this and this equal. I probably should have mirrored it in the top and bottom too, but whatever. I'm gonna come to regret not mirroring it on the top and bottom, but that's fine. It's a geometry dash level, so plus 10 or minus 10 cool points depending on who you ask. That is cool. Is it in a... what, like... My brain stopped working. Is there an official level creator? Or is it like, you know? Like, where are you making it? That one I need to do intersect, not project. Come on. There we go. I guess I don't need to do that one, I just need that one. Maybe I should do fillets instead of a spline. I don't know the best level editor in all of gaming. I do not, apparently. I think I need to do a straight line, just to make sure it's straight. And then that to that. Yeah, that makes me feel better. And then... Honestly, yeah, I should just... I'm gonna get rid of these. Can I get rid of this that without the whole spline? Oh, yes I can. Wow, we live in the future. I don't need any of these extra garbage. Turn off base material. Wow, it really... I didn't know Geometry Dash had an editor. A level editor. It's kinda cool. Get out of here. Not midpoint. I want another thing on the midpoint to go out a certain amount, and then this to go here. I think. And then these things are just, they are free space right now. Yeah, I like that. Now to mirror in 2 directions. Oh shoot, I need to do that. That's a mirror line, and then my other mirror line will be... Uh-oh. Genuinely so good. Someone made art for it in a YouTube video and then later revised it, and it was in the Geometry Dash level editor, but nobody questioned it because nobody knew, and it looked good. It was a floor map with a Splatoon map. Oh, that's so cool. I have not seen custom Geometry Dash levels, actually. I did not. This is a new subculture that I have not explored. I did not know about them. I'm not a Geometry Dasher, if you will. I am but a, I don't know. Some guy. Where's the midpoint? Please. Whoa, that didn't even work. Uh-oh. Okay, midpoint. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, those are just my mirror lines. And then I can fix this to be more apt. There we go. If you get the time, look at this. Need the power of my girl understanding? I don't riz up women a lot, but I can do my best. I will do my best to guide you. Sorry, it's just really funny that you're... Like, I mean, okay. I think it's funny because I actually do have a pretty decent... I pay attention to people a lot. So I actually am pretty decent at giving people relationship advice, but I always just find it really funny when anybody asks me, because I'm like, why are you asking, like, why are you asking me? Not in like a bad way, but it's just really funny to me. Oh, a girl sent me this emoji, smiling 3 hearts? Okay, wait, what was the text? What was the text? Like, I gotta know the context a little bit. I'm the worst with girls. Oh, it's okay. I need to do... Oh geez Louise, where's this line? Okay, I need to get this out of the way. Whoa. Explain the context. Yes. Yes. Then I can accurately... Okay, and then mirror this, and this, and this, and that over this line. Nice! It actually doesn't even look too bad, honestly, with the thick radius, but I'll change the radius real quick. But I want it to be a little bit more swag, even. So that's not right. What the heck did I do? How did I do that? Oh, because it's, I meant to project this line instead of this line. Whoopsies. Okay, so get rid of this line. I just turned it a different color. There we go. Project include, project that, and then this point becomes the midpoint of this line. And touches the floor? Yes. And then the only other thing I need to do is make sure that this and this are coincident. So I need to project, oh shoot. It's a little complicated. I guess I should make the top version of this first, which is really just a projection of that onto this plane. So I'll do that. This is rename loft middle. Choose a moment during summer to meet, but her ceiling will fall off her bed? Oh my god, that's crazy. Then she said something like, thank you for your understanding. Okay. Okay, I think that's not a definite like she's not trying to be like, you know. I think that's a little bit more of a friendly thing. Because I would say sometimes the 3-heart face. And after, when I asked for some news because she went to study in Spain, she used this emoji too. Oh, interesting. How would you respond? I mean, if I was responding, I would use like, I use like very, I use funny, oh, you never send emoji usually? Oh, okay, I would use an emoji, when you were like texting her or something. I would use like the blush happy face one. Because I feel like that's like, it's neutral. It's a little bit neutral. I usually use like really like those emojis all the time when I don't like mean to be like into somebody, but I definitely don't use those emojis with somebody I don't like, so I'm guessing it's probably something like that. But yeah, I would maybe send an emoji and like see. Not like just an emoji, but like put it like at the end of a message, you know, if you're replying. Kind of funny. Offset this to object, that. I know for 4 years, she said, and she said, you know, 2 years ago, but since several months. Oh, interesting. That is very different then. I kind of feel like maybe, maybe it could mean something. Could mean something. You can always test the waters. I feel like a lot of people don't really understand how to like quote unquote test the waters. I do it all the time. It's pretty easy to like figure out, like, especially if you're able to be around a person in person, if somebody's like into you. I think. But alright, so that's that. Oh, I know what I need to do. Wait a second. Never mind. This is easy. What am I talking about? What am I doing? I just need to... Oh boy. Well, okay, it's easy, but it's like also not easy. Did I project this? Just project, that's fine. Turn off the bodies. Turn off the base material. We did not meet for 2 years. Oh, I see. So you're long distance. Aw. That's cute. Okay, now I can reduce this curve. No, it's long distance sucks. Whether it's friends or if it's a partner or whoever. Alright, I think I can loft this now. Let's try from here to here. It doesn't touch all the profiles? Hello? Is it because I use chain selection? Rail's not smooth. Oh. I probably just need to tangent that. Not a lot, just ask some news sometimes, and for birthday, Christmas, and New Year. Oh, but that's like nice, you know? It might not be, you know, exactly something, but it definitely could be something. Are you two planning to like live in the same area, or do you think you'll end up in the same area? I guess is better way of asking that. Hello? Can I add the rails, please? But me, I did not forget her. Oh, it seems like you're interested. Why is it showing this red? It's not a rail. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. It can't be tangent to profile? Are we? It's being a hater. Whoa. No way. I thought to stop texting her to forget her. Maybe 1 week after I had this idea, she started using emojis, so I don't know. I think life is too short to not just do stuff. Like, especially, like, if you're not around her. Like, I mean, not that you're not around her. But, like, if you're not... Like, it wouldn't be a big deal to be like, hey, I think you're cool. Do you want to, like, go on a date or something? You know? Oh, this can't- maybe this can't be tangent. Maybe this needs to be slightly untangent. I kinda hate that it's slightly untangent, but maybe it's not. Oh, Cheryl said no 2 years ago? Damn. Well, maybe she's just not looking for somebody, you know? It looks goofy. Ooh, it's really poochy at the corners. Wow, that looks awful there. Okay, I definitely need to give it more wiggle room. Actually, it doesn't even look too bad though. Like, let's be real. It's kind of neat. Math is easier than girls' minds. I actually feel like romance is very similar to... It's gonna sound crazy. I do think that it's kind of similar. Because, like, you're just paying attention to different things, really. Like, if you're interested in somebody, and, like, you wanna, you know, you wanna be with them, or you wanna go out on a date or whatever, it's like... It's not really that different than just, like, learning about them and that kind of stuff, so it's like, I don't know. Maybe I'm weird. So what I just realized is I need to cut this in half if I want to mirror it. Whoopsies. Also, I need to mirror it and flip it, which, like, I don't know if I can do that. I'm weird when I try to know about someone. I just kind of people like talking about themselves because I forget nothing. Oh, I do that too. People just love talking about themselves is the thing. I think, like, this needs to be wider and this needs to be smaller. Is what I think. For this to look better. Ugh. Ew, why is that not centered anymore? I'm a specialist to make people talk about some information. Oh, don't change that. Come back to me. Oh, it's chugging. I'll do this, maybe... Just because I don't want to deal with it. Okay, so making that smaller. Oh, now it's super thick. Maybe I think I maybe need a loft on the side, but but I can't do that though. I feel like it's needlessly complicated. Just kind of be you and speak your shit, and if it works, it works. Don't be uncompromising. If they don't like your traits, yeah, no, exactly. That's so real. I feel like I don't ever ask people out unless I know 100% certain they're gonna say yes because I know that we're compatible or not. I think it's also just like, if you have the opportunity to, because are you in a university setting or are you in like a more smaller workplace for your research stuff? Because if you're in a university, if you want to, like, if you're looking for somebody, just go out and, like, small. I would still suggest, like, going out to, like, events. Like, if you have, like, hobbies, trying to find, like, a group for hobbies, or if you, like, there are a bunch of just, like, local, you know, things wherever you are. There's no, that's impossible. Statistically, that is impossible. There are definitely women around. I think it's having trouble with this part. Well, clearly it's having trouble with that part, but I don't really know how to fix that. Maybe trans girls. No, there are. What are you talking about? Women in math? There are definitely women in math. I mean, okay, actually, there are women in, like, American math, at least. I don't know about. Okay, wait. Actually, there might be, like, more gay women in math. I forgot that. I forgot that, some people are not looking for gay people. The professor? Don't go over with the professor. No, I do not recommend that. What if I fill it this? It's gonna look like shit. I hate being at this point where everything just kind of looks like shit. And you're like, God damn it, I want it to not look like shit, but then it just looks like shit. Doesn't even work at 5. What about 3? What about 2? Ugh, what is that? Ugh. I think I need to do surfacing on the top. Oh, you know what I could just do? Wait, why did I not think of this before? Make this a surface instead of a solid. And then get rid of the top? Wait, kind of. In the class there's no girls? Well... yeah, but you can go to things other than class. A sofa? Okay, so there's a type of this is a type of chair called a... wait, what is it called? I don't know how to pronounce it. It's... Tata-tate. It's a weird, like, type of chair that I didn't know existed, but they do exist. It's like meant to... it's like a conversation chair, sort of, so like 2 people are supposed to sit on it. So what's gonna happen is, I guess if I do this real quick, I can do this. This is what I should have done earlier too. Actually, 2-point rectangle. Wait, not that. Damn it. Oh. Sorry, I'm coping right now. There, this, midpoint. It's fine, I'm just gonna cut away half of this. Then I can flip it and it'll be 2 sides, so. So then if I take the body and I mirror it over this plane. I don't know how to flip it is the issue. It's supposed to, like, flip to the other side. I could go in a library, but people in the library must not like men who say, "Hey girl, go out with me." Yeah, I mean, don't do that. Yeah, that's not good riz, I will say. Maybe I can just copy this. Rotate. Remove. Yeah, there we go. And then just swoop. Okay, it doesn't line up, but it's supposed to look like this. So then you sit, and then oh, it lagged. Hey girl, want to solve an integral? That's so real though. The answer is yes. And then this is the bottom, you can sit the other way too. Oh shoot, I need to do the cut on the bottom as well. But yeah, it's a flippity flip type thing. It's kind of like its footprint is too big right now. I definitely need to shrink it. But I'll figure that out later. I think if you wanted, just go to like an event. That's what, like, there are events that happen. Like, go to like a concert, or go to like, I mean, you could always just go out to a club or something to meet people if you just want to meet people. I'm weird in events. Well, then go to like a knitting circle. I don't know. There's gotta be something you can go to, you know what I'm saying? I'm bad at dance. Well, yeah, dance is hard. I would not recommend dance, to be honest. Okay, I'm gonna do something kind of crazy wacky right now. Get rid of that. And get rid of the loft. What is this? Delete that. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Hey, my name is Bob. I was drunk every day. Nice to meet you. I mean, I don't know what like situation you would use that in, but I wouldn't use that. That seems like a not a not a, just generally maybe not a great opener. Surface loft? Can I do that? Oh geez. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. That's not what I wanted to do at all. Okay. And then I think this is actually what I want. And then I'll just like delete it. Yeah. Yeah, and then we'll cut off the top. And then just kinda. In general, I'm the best friend. But when I must go further, I take a big no. I've never understood that. I don't know, I don't mean to be like that guy, but I genuinely like, cause I know like some people are like, oh, friend zone, whatever. It's like, I guess I just don't see that as, to me, every person I've been with, I have been best friends with. You risk too much. It's not risk, it's just being a good person and finding a person who's compatible with you. I think it's just part of like part of it is being lucky, like being in areas where there are people who are compatible with you, but also then knowing what kinds of people are compatible with you is a big thing. I'm good, but it does not work. I don't know. I don't know. You just gotta like get somebody flowers or something. It's bad advice. What the fuck am I trying to do here? I really should just have this loft be not here, but I want to just cut it, and I can't just easily cut it. No, wait, I probably could. Wait, yes, wait, I'm a genius, chat. Hold on. Be like, hey, do you like anime? The flowers to the emoji girl? She said, what? Damn, if somebody got me flowers, I'd be like, well, yeah, you're pretty awesome. Nobody gets anybody flowers anymore. Where's split? Where's split body? Where's split? Split face. Face is a split. Splitting tool. This one. Oh yeah. Oh, it doesn't want to select another one. That's fine. We'll do it again. Oh, maybe it's just stuck inside it. Okay, what if I select the splitting tool first, and then I select the face? Awesome. I'd say instead of playing a romance game with a relationship as the end goal, to play a connection game. If the goal is romance, you'll be disappointed if he don't work out. It worked 1 hour to buy the flowers. I don't know. I think like just in general with romance stuff, I kind of think it's fine to, like, want to, try and find, like, a partner or someone. Like, I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing. But I do think that you just have to know... It's kind of, I guess, like, the awareness part of it is you have to know the people that you are connecting with, like, have to enjoy the type of connection that you have. You know? For me, it's very easy. It's just vibes. I'm like, oh yeah, this person is gonna be compatible with me. I just get that vibe, and I don't have to really think about it. Because I'm like, oh yeah, it's just, you know, we're gonna be compatible. And I've never been wrong, but I think... well, the other thing for me is, like, I don't really think... I don't go after people who I think are, like, attractive or anything. It's just people who, like, people who are compatible with me are attractive to me. And so that's kind of the way that I think about it. My Aries perspective is so warped. I never, like, sought that or felt like I needed it. Oh, I'm the opposite. I'm like, man, it would be really nice to have... They're like, when I don't have people around, it's like, oh, I really want to be in a relationship. Or whatever. Which I think is fine. I think it's, normal. But it's also normal to not, you know, not want to. That's fine. This sucks. This sucks. I hate it. Why does it look so ass right now? What is aerospec? Oh, it's, like, people who, are not interested, but I guess, like, just don't feel romantic attraction. I just need to define a better loft, so I'll just do that, I guess, in here. It's very funny to me. Oh, okay, sad. No, it's not sad for them. It's just like, that's just how they are. Sad is funny, though. I need a point. God damn it. I'm just gonna do the same curve again, though. I want it to be, like, nicer looking, but I don't know how to make it. Oh, that looks like shit. Time for another spline. I'm working it way too much, I know, but... I feel sad for them. I don't know, I think it's hard, like, for me, it's kind of like, oh, I don't not that I don't get it, but it's like, I'm not like that, so it's, why is that? That is, ew. It's more like I don't relate to it, but I understand it. It's like, kind of baller, you know? I don't know, that's my take. I gotta mirror this thing. It's gonna look bad again, but I don't care. Whoa, there's a lot of constraints on that line. No, don't select the mirror. Mirror the mirror. More constraints! Yippee! You're like a sage on his mountains with some goats. I feel like people think of me like that when I talk about, like, relationships or something. I think it's part of it is also, like, you do just have to be content with yourself as a person. Like, I know completely who I am, and that doesn't really, like, I just know that, and oh! What is going on? Ugh. Wait, that looks so good, though. Wait, bring it to me. It can't be tangent. Fuck. I like to be in relationships, but it's not a separate desire from friendship. Like, the loneliness that feeds wanting a partner is filled by... Yeah. That's funny, because I'm the opposite. I'm like, I want to do romance stuff. It's so niceys. You are happy, it is the principle. Hi, Unstucky, how's it going? We're talking about relationships and modeling a chair. It can't be tangent, but I want it to be tangent so badly. There's a way to do it. There's a way to do it. It's like if I loft the other stuff instead of lofting this stuff. But I forget how to do it every single time. How do I do it? It's like I need to loft, like... I need to use these as the rails. Instead of this. But I can't loft from here to here. I only saw the footsies. Tan X. I don't like this. I don't like this. Dies. I could maybe just try lofting. Wait a second. It might just look better if I loft it here. With this one. Oh, I can't. I lied. Oh, I can. Wait. Oh. No, I can't. It's still tangent. What the hell? I just want to make a weird little trash can type thing. Too much to ask? Apparently. I still have to do all the other stuff for it too. The surfacing on that. Surfacing is hard, is my take. Let's see, how can I do this? I don't know, the relationship stuff is so funny because it's been a long time since I've not been in a relationship, so I have a very skewed perspective as well. Find a set described by a function of several variables so that it is my sofa? Oh my god, that would be awful. That would be so hard. Well, I mean, I guess, like, if you split it up into pieces, it wouldn't be as hard, but some of these splines are just like, Jesus Christ. You could probably do it with, just a big series, right? At some point, you can just do a polynomial like that. I'm not having a fun time with this. This is besting me. Okay, I don't want that. Which means I don't need this either. Come on. There we go. I've never been in a relationship, so the Tower of Babel. That's crazy. What if I just... If I connect them and I just fillet it really big? Did I try that already? Like, I straight up just loft it. Me and the club lofting it. And by it, let's say, my surface. Okay, then patch. It doesn't really look too bad. Evil mode. Where's the evil? I'm right here. I'm evil. What are you so mean to me? I'm not evil enough? Is that what it is? Oh jeez. What's happening? Oh, it needs to be a body. I'm the evil. I am evil. Just a little. As a treat. This is making me evil, though. This is... If I was gonna be evil for a reason, this would be my evil. My evil villain backstory is just... Now I'd be SolidWorks. Let's be real. Don't selected everything. No, but don't select these things, please. Fusion, please. It just loves to select things. I don't know why I just did that. Damie go evil. Bad actor. Go villain bad. I was born in a cave. And my fingers are knives. or something. What the hell is going on down here? What the? Hello, I did not ask you to do that, sir. Also, why is it not a body? What? No pain, feel pain, accept pain. Those who have not felt pain can never understand true peace. Damien is so Plato's allegory of the cave right now. I like the one video of the guy who's does like the bird hand. I just did it. You can't see my hands. I don't know. I just did that like you could see my hands. To the crab, and he's like trying to explain Plato's allegory of the cave to this crab right now. What? It's literally a body, but it's not showing it as a bot. You need to add pain theme music. Yeah, let me look up pain theme music. Pain background. Pain aesthetic. Background music. The pain of recall. Wait, I'm gonna get copyright striked for this. Copyright free. POV. Pain changes you. The pain of recalling memories of an empty life. Copyright free. Sad music. No copyright. There's no pain themed music apparently. Pain theme music. Naruto is not. I'm gonna get copyright strike if I put on Naruto. It's so quiet. Well, I guess that's what happens when you're in pain. It zooms in sadly, slowly on this. My sad, sad loft. I'll never recover. No, you fucking killed me. You can't. I was sad and then I died after a metal pipe dropped on my head. That's fucked up. We need to feel pain. We need the Mike Demon redeem. Just for only this one moment. I don't understand why this is not turning into a body though. Like, oh, come on, Fusion. Drama Queen much? Boom. Are these not stitched enough? It doesn't like this one. I don't know what's up. I don't know what's up with that. I just want everybody to know that the title of this song is Filaments, and the background image of this is a rocket taking off. I don't really know how this is a rocket taking off, but I think it's a song about pain for sure. If true question, if you could become a cat human, would you transform? Yeah, absolutely. I think that would be really funny. I think the comedic potential of that is really great. I think it's already pretty funny that I'm an engineer and a Catboy. I think that's really it might be the order that I did these profiles in, actually. That's why I gonked it. Nope. Okay. How about this one? Please don't be donked. Okay, now it's donked on the front. What? How? Like, legitimately just how is my question. The top one is fine. I was not expecting this to be the hardest part of this. I was like, I'm just gonna make a loft and it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna get rid of it. It's bad. What do I want to do? I want to... Maybe I need to control the But then would you go out with human or cat? I would not go out with cats. Why would I go out with cats? I'm assuming you mean like, okay, a cat, human, like, how cat? Like, are you talking about, I'm kind of imagining cat boy, like what I look like right now. But if you're talking about, like, the cat returns cat, that, where I'm, like, I'm more cat, then that maybe is a different story, but I don't think I would go out with cats, unless I could, like, talk with cats, but it doesn't make any sense. It's kind of like an elf going out with a human. You know, like, their lifespan is so much longer, you're kind of like, that's a little weird. Damie, if you were the first cat human, I could study your mind and behaviors for my thesis. That'd be awesome. It just sounds like us hanging out, and then... and then you finish your thesis, which is pretty cool. I don't know why it doesn't want me to do curvature. You just want 9 lives? No, I don't. But 9 lives would be awful. I think 1 longer life is better than 9 lives. What about you, Chad? You think you'd rather have multiple lives? Or, like, you have to start over, I guess? Is that the case? Or you could die 9 times? I'd have to do tests on you, sadly, with peer review. Oh, that'd be fun. Multiple long lives. Well, that's both of them. You can't. You can't choose both. I think it would be weird if you were... Okay, so, like, let's say you had 9 lives as a cat, right? Oh, yes. Okay, I agree. Multiple long lives is better than infinite life, for sure. I think if you had 9 lives as a cat, the whole thing is like, if you die, one of your lives goes away, right? So then you would just have a normal lifespan, but then you would just die 9 times one after another when you were really, really old. Like, it doesn't really prevent that. It's just sort of, you know? I think I need to loft from here to here, and then have these be the rails. Which means I need to make a very small sketch. Oh, actually, I could just make it on this plane. Never mind, we're chilling. Don't edit the sketch, please. God, Fusion. Being a child, several times you get old, but I think that getting experienced death a few times would be a good perspective, you know? Only if you become the clan leader and visit the Moonstone and Star Clan accepts your leadership. Honest. That's true. I would have to be a warrior cat, I think. Being a child a few times would get really old. I think it would get old after the 2nd time. At least for me. I think it would be sad a lot. Unfortunately. What is this? What plane is this? What did I put? Oh. Oh, I just put it on the base plane. Wait, no, we're chilling. No, I did not put it on the base plane. What plane is it on? Oh, it's on the... Oh, it's on that surface. That's kind of annoying. It's not really that bad. I guess I can just make a new. I mean, I guess I could just put it on this. It's kind of silly, but... because this already exists, so I can just do that. I miss the times when I sent you hard problems and look at you crying them. Yeah, that's... I mean, you can still do that. That actually will... I'll probably cry more now. It's just funny, I think, for, math stuff, because I do a fair amount of math with various things that are, you know, that are calculus, that are things. But it's just kind of funny, because it's like... Oh wait, this is gonna be really hard to do, accurately. It's not in the right place at all. Wait, what? Oh, did I not? If you're reborn with memories every time instead of just blinking out when you die, that'd be horrible. Imagine being the parent of this fucking kid who lived 8 times before it's like more mature in every way than you, it's telling you every way you're ruining your own life. That's really funny though. But you do not have time now to think on these problems. No, okay. If you come back and I'm doing math or something, I will attempt them. That'd be so funny. Imagine you have a 2-year-old and the 2-year-old can like speak perfect English and is like, damn, this life is worse than the last one. Are you just born to like random places every time? That'd be kind of you'd be like, damn, I got a bad gotcha pull this time. I don't know why I still have this music, this sad music up. I don't wanna listen to sad music anymore. Going back to where. Uh-oh. Oh no. Did I make this in this? Horizontal? I don't think so. Uh-oh. Oh, I didn't. It just didn't register. Well, see, now that's not the right length for anything. But I guess I can just, like, set it to a length and then... I thought that was the 9 lives question. Well, I mean, there are a couple different ways you could have 9 lives. You could have 9 lives. I think it's just mostly 2 ways. The 9 lives is like, if you die, you don't actually die. That's like, I think the way that Cat 9 lives work, right? So it's like if maybe they like fall too far or something and they like die, then it's like they actually live. But then there's like the 9 lives, like do you get to live 9 lives? And no. Yeah. Like hypothetically yes, but Cat 1 life in real. Okay, yes. Yes, Cats only have... No, actually, I'm a scientist, you can trust me. Cats actually do have 9 lives, and... because they're awesome. So, you know. Kinda gotta think about that. It's a little known. What the heck is happening? I just want to make this coincident. Is it? Hello? The sweeping music is so... There we go. Method of authority. Damie in his pseudoscience era. No, but I'm like a normal type guy about it, you know? Uh-oh, that is not centered. It needs to be centered. I'm a science student. I think chicken came before the egg. It's such a weird question to me, because do you say, okay, so we had an animal that was right before the chicken, right? Which is like, let's just call it pre-chicken. And then it gave birth, and it gave birth, it's maybe not that, it laid an egg, and then that egg was the chicken, right? That's like the technical first chicken. I think that's how it has to be, right? I went to the online school of chicken egg world and got certified, to be honest. It was the egg, the ability to have wet in the egg was evolved before the chicken. What the fuck? I feel like I'm having a stroke. It was the egg, the ability to have wet in the egg was evolved before the chicken. Oh, no, it was the egg, the ability to have wet in the egg. What is wet in the egg? Oh, okay, I see. They used to have baby in water only for the egg. No, it makes sense. Like, Rev's trying to say, like, the ability that there's, like, the water is in the, like, the wet stuff is in the egg, like, was the egg. That also made no sense. I feel like we're just saying Rev's stuff now. This is also not gonna work, but I mean, I'll just try it, because, oh no, I can't, it doesn't, we're so close. Lofts are really just, really, really hard, is the thing. That is the one thing that I've, like, learned. is that any time I think it's gonna take me to make a loft, it's gonna take me like 40 times as long. It's gonna say, it can't be tangent to the curve. It's okay, I'm incomprehensible in real life too, not just you. Can I interest you in delicious wet egg? The wet is inside. Like a blender of phrases and words. Egg sail, wet inside, half off. What's happening? What is happening to me? It's deleting. Oh my god. Something like that. Just make it go something. It looks like awful, but it's fine. Don't even worry about it. I just want to loft these two, please. The operation could not... Oh, it's chain selected. Okay, we're fine. Don't chain select. Okay, there we go. And then rails. Uh-oh. It's not gonna work. Oh, wait, it did work. Wait. It worked. 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 Uh-oh. I must go. Have a nice evening, Catman. Thank you. We have a corner. Next time, I hope you will have some Riz advice. I think it's funny. I don't think there is advice. There's no advice. It's just, like, do it. I don't know. Okay, it certainly looks better. Like, we're getting somewhere. But I need to fix it. To have a couple things fixed. Damie, Riz advice when? What if I was really trying to give Riz advice? Let me think. Just like in general? It kind of depends on if you're gay. I know that's good. Hey girl, go out with me, no question allowed. It's so hard because everyone is a different and distinct person, and one person will be weird. You keep weird for one guy, we yippee for another. Mood though, yeah. If you're like, or also if you're trans. My advice is just only date trans people. Easy peasy. Don't even worry about it. That's all you need to know. I don't know. I pretty much only date trans people, and it has worked out well for me. So maybe that's the. Uh-oh. Oh. That's the code. The cracking the code. Oh yeah, my gayness. People just say shit and then like, woohoo, yay! I have the best Riz. I'm what you will want. Drop the mic. I'm not gonna lie. That is evil Kermit Riz. Like, wait a second, let me... Where's the song? I can't play it. But that is literally evil Kermit Riz. It's gonna get me copyright strike if I'm trying to play it. Hello? Damie coining new terminology. I mean, Constantine, but if I say Constantine Riz, it's not gonna make any sense. If you stick with me, I can get you what you want. Then he says. That's not very good, Riz. I'm sorry. I'll go look at it after. Yeah, it's okay. You don't need to... What if I just remade the entire thing? Have a nice evening. I will try some Riz sentences. I hate lofts so much, guys. I'm in hell right now. Is there anything else I could do? No, the other thing is also a loft. God damn it. I'll have to sweep it too, and then... Sweeping it might be interesting, but... Actually, I might... Okay, it might not be that hard to sweep it, because I'll just do it along this path. Sort of. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. This is making me ill. So I'm gonna do this instead. Away from me. There we go. I need an oval. I need an ovular shape. Is ovular a word? I don't know if that's... Wait, what? How do... Oh, ellipse. I need an ovular shape. Oh, wait, it didn't even work. Oh, it did work. Oh, that's weird. Okay. I did not know that that's the way it's defined. Okay, so it was like... I already forgot. It was the middle? Turn off all this other garbage. Okay, project this. No, not that, I lied. Project this. Okay. And then midpoint. And then... oval. Does need to be larger than that, though. Oh, come on. Okay, thank you. There we go. I think that would make a good sweep. And then we will sweep with a surface. Path. Wait, cancel. My brain is working so hard right now to try and figure out this. Rename. Sweep. It's not gonna help me if I rename it, but you know, just for comfort. That, and then trim this, I think. Get out of here. And then as damie v. Wait, why is this marked as? Oh, it's pinging me. I thought it was marked as like explicit. As damie VTuber stated in his 2024 VOD, the light at the end of the tunnel, that is Kermit Riz. The term Kermit Riz arose to express a statement representative of I'll Get You What You Want by the epicest band, The Muppets. I think Muppet Riz is not the best thing to have, but it also isn't the worst thing to have. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like you can work with that, you know what I mean? That is not the path that I want. I want this path. Okay. Almost accidentally timed you out trying to copy that. Timing me out of my own chat is so funny. Damie, get out of here. You can't be in here, Damie. I need to make it more... No. I need to do this. I'm just mad sciencing right now. I'm not gonna lie. There we go. Oh, that just didn't work. Sure. I don't know how that would work. Damie, you gotta go. I'm the mod. You broke the rules. My beautiful mod team. So good at, you know, modding. Split these faces for me, please, and thank you. Did it work? Yeah, it did, sort of, but I need to, like, make another cut here, I guess. Everything's hard forever. sketch on this face and then project into yeah. I'm doing some wizard shit right now, guys. I don't know what to tell you. It's like, how can I do the worst possible... How can I make this the worst possible way? And then that's just what I... That's what I do. Okay. And then we extrude this. 2 sides, symmetric, distance, all. Damie so wizard, exactly. Have you ever seen me not be a wizard? Good question, because you haven't. Okay. I've done it. Oh, I did it wrong. It's too small. Oh, whoopsies. Whoopsies. I need to also project this, apparently. I actually don't really need to project this other thing, but that's fine. We're just gonna leave it there. Wow, that, how is it still, huh? The what the hell? The what? Huh? How? Delete the circle. Yippee. There we go. Do I really need to do this? No, but I do it anyway. Everything disappeared. I was worried. Uh-oh. Not that. Thank you very much. Uh-oh. Delete the circle. It's like in Blender, you know, you gotta delete the cube. Same thing. Delete the circle. Yeah, now will it let me? Please. There we go. Awesome. It did not work. Why is that yelling at me? I genuinely don't know how that works. Me when I hate Bedman's theme and go, wait, what's Bedman's theme? This sad piano music has like a crying emoji on the cover of it. Wait, what's Bedman's? Is that Pain Aesthetic background music copyright free? The Circle. Oh. Bedman Guilty Gear theme. The Circle. It's actually called The Circle. I see the circle. That's me. Just like me for real. Oh, it's trying to extrude that. That's why. This is a very informative song. Now we know that they see the circle. Oh, they went hard for this circle. Can I just delete this? Can I just delete this? Can I just delete it? Can you just delete that? Thank you. Wait, I need it though. I kind of need it. Technically, I should have it. Oh, I thought it was gonna say, do you see the circle? I do, I see the circle. It's a half circle. But I still see it. Okay, so now extrude 5. Please, please. It just doesn't... Oh, I turned it off. Okay, we're chilling. Now, we split face, split this face, split this face, with this. And then get rid of that. Now, we can delete these. Yay! Yippee! Now I just have to loft the worst loft known to man. So, you know, that'll be fun. Oh boy, okay, so chain selection, please. What is that? I don't even know where to start. Maybe I don't chain select. Maybe I need to do it in smaller increments. I don't know. Like, look, there, I lofted that. That... Okay, how far is that? Why are there so many pieces here? What the heck? Wait, actually, why are there so many pieces? That's so weird. Okay, I'm gonna try that, and then let's do this. Uh-oh. Can you turn the circle back on? Yeah, I got you. Yeah, that didn't help. Turning the circle back on didn't help. I just wanna, man, I just wanna loft something. Is that too hard? Is that too much to ask for? They hate me for my lofting swag. Like, come on. My cat won't let me take notes anymore. Maybe, okay, maybe if I loft just the top. Let's try that. In all these tiny, stupid pieces. I'll just do it, though. Ah, it seems to like that more. Okay, so, you know, don't do that. What the hell is happening? She needs to be cradled by my writing arm. Aww. A baby. Actually a baby. Your cat's kind of baby, dude. Anybody ever tell you that? What is happening? I'll never be able to take notes on rationalism, pros and cons. What is that? She's a baby. She's also 900 years old. Damn, that's an old cat. She's kind of like dust. Is she dust core? I hope I can be dust core one day. What is rationalism? Regale us with the pros and cons of rationalism. I don't know what's happening. Like, what is that? What are you? Maybe if I select this one first, then I select the easier to select one, that would be better. Oh yeah. Yeah. So, that did literally nothing. Oh, I see. I see. 1 second. Did you watch the link I sent? I did not watch the link you sent. Sorry. Sorry. Before I loft it, I need to like take this body and shrink it, I think, a little bit. Because right now it's two right there. Modify. Scale. like 0.9. Please scale around the middle of it. The rational method is just like if 1 plus 1 equals 2 and 2 minus 1 equals 1, then 2 plus 1 equals 3, but like with situations. So if true and true, then thing must be true. Cons is like your true statement might be wrong, then you're wrong. Oh, it's kind of like proofs? Maybe I'm misunderstanding though. War. Yeah, real. Is there any sketch that I have where I can— oh, yes I can. I just need to put a dot. My nefarious dot. I should probably scale it around the middle there, huh? There we go. I really dislike scaling. I mean, I don't, because I get why, but... First, but for gaining knowledge. Oh. I feel like we do something very similar in proof things. There we go. Now, if I loft, how do we like E? Ooh, I do like E actually. Okay, I think I'm cooking. I'll put a rail in there, but I need to loft the bottom now. Wait, no, don't do that. Select all this stuff first, because it's a drama queen. We got it. We got this. Don't even worry, chat. Okay. Loft. There. Oh, 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 we're so winning. Amy has a fear of dogs. We assume people have fears of dogs because bad experiences with dogs. We assume Amy had bad experience with dogs. These aren't true constants because not everyone scared of dogs had a bad experience, even if majority true. Oh. Boxes wrap their candy so you can't tell what flavor it is until you individually unwrap them, and I got 3 lemons in a row? Wait, but lemon's kind of good. I know I'm like the small majority of people who would say that though, so I understand your pain. What am I accidentally selecting? I don't know. What is this? Don't... What is this? It doesn't even exist! Oh, it's the sweep. That was why. Okay. Oh. It kind of looks bad, but, you know. That's okay, I guess. Wait, error? Did it just stopped? I like black currant. I like lemon more than I used to. Arrgh. What if I did this? Wow, that's not right at all. Turn off whatever this stupid thing is. There we go. This to this, and then rails. This and this. Yeah, see, that's fine. And there's an error. What is the error? Do you want to tell me what the error is? Failed. Okay, failed is not a good error. Cannot create tool body reference. Thanks, Fusion. What? It's still erroring? Are you kidding me? Why is that an error? I'm gonna cry. It also keeps turning my sweep back on, and I don't want it to do that. It literally looks fine is the thing, and then it just fails. For no discernible reason. Yippee. Yup, okay. Raspberry is the least controversial flavor because someone is gonna hate on strawberry, but who the hell is hating on raspberry? True. You gotta straight up eat lemons? I did not do that. I ate whole carrots like Bugs Bunny, though. I was like, yeah, what's dark? Okay, at least I can make a loft here. Do I have any, like, funny, squinky little sketches somewhere? Yeah. I just reuse, recycle, you know. I did both epic carrot eaters. Oh, I need to actually do it here, I think. Wait, okay, I can't do that. I need to do it after the shrink. There we go. I kind of love a carrot. Carrots are pretty good. That's fine, it's not good. Have you ever eaten a purple carrot? I don't think so. I don't think I've ever seen a purple carrot either, actually. Create, include. Go. Okay, let's just try that. Because it's always with lemon, I was like, oh, green flavored lemon. That's a Cave Johnson type quote. Life didn't give us lemons, we made them. We also made bananas. We made many things. Bananas used to be awful, but now they're pretty cool. Okay, that's nice. Oh, wait a second. I don't actually need to do that. At all. Wait, what am I doing? I'm silly. There we go. Just make them both tangent. I don't even need to... Wow, I am losing it, guys. Losing my edge. There we go. Because it just takes care of the tangent. Look at that! It's just like a regular fillet if I had done a fillet. Ah! That's fine. I want to do this end in a specific way, so that's why. We bred most of it to a yummer's state. True. Maybe this will like it more now if I do this with these rails. Well, probably not, but like, what if it does? Nope, it hates life. Thanks. Maybe because this is like the same... I might need to offset this just a skosh. How am I gonna do that? If I make the sweep go extend slightly backward, and then where's my sweep? Man, I don't even remember where I sweeped. Extruded. Oh, there's my... Wow, it's far back. Okay. Path, distance. Can I have it go single path? No, that's fine. I want it to go a little bit further back. Like, -1. No, there's a way you can extend it backwards. Green always tastes like lime jelly. Or like dish soap. That's true. Wait, no, okay, wait, I can... No, I can't cook. I was about to cook, but I can't. I need to make this go backwards, but I don't know how to do that easily. I thought there's a way where you can, like, make it go backwards more. There's like an isn't there an extension thing? Like, you can extend it out this way, can't you? See, look, you can extend it out that way, but you can't... It's also sad I brought the wrong version of my textbook for my psych class. What? Oh my god, that's so annoying. I never buy textbooks, I just pirate them. Oh, I see. The classes where you need to have like online textbooks are so, like so annoying. Alright, I'm gonna give this loft one more try, and then I'm gonna cry in a hole. No, not that, but that can stay, I guess. Not the, oh, just the ebook, not the integrated, yeah. Yeah, I had my EE class, my electrical engineering class. We had to have a thing. Okay, so the way that I just did that. Oh wait. Wait, guys, wait. This is what I was forgetting. What? Where'd my... Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Two of my classes don't even have textbooks. Yippee! On purpose, they give us free stuff. Because yeah. Basically, every professor doesn't want you to pay for textbooks either. Unless they wrote it, and then... I've had classes where professors wrote the textbook, and they were like, buy my textbook, and I'm like, bro. Come on. It really is kind of like a bro moment, like, come on. Come on, man. Okay. Tangent. Oh, shoot. Wait, no, wait. Okay, wait. If I patch first and then loft, then I can tangent on both sides, and I think we'll be chill. This is what I was forgetting. Uh-oh. No! Ah! Turn off this sketch. You need to, like, make sure that it's, like, a surface that it's, selecting, not a... Yes! Yes! Oh, wait, it fucks up on that side. I might need to add a rail. I was so sad. I bought the textbook and then finds out she scans the pages for us. Oh, okay, I just need one rail. This is the... They need a rail over here. No, it's okay. Wait, actually, which way is the chair? Yeah, it does need a rail. So you see how it's like... I want it to be flat, but I want it to be... Low-key, why is it like kind of turned into a straight line on the middle here? I don't want that. Me when I'm doing so much that I... Why can I not move that? Hello? Oh, there we go. I was like, oh my god, what's happening? Okay, yeah. I just want it to be like, you know, thick. Oh yeah, and then it just needs to not be thick on that side. One rail, one meatball. Can you play one me at ball? What the game is... Just like play with one? Like what is this like? I'm not really sure. Like the... I need one rail. Oh, I didn't make the rail. Oh. The song, One Meatball? Is it? What is it? Oh, by the way, I am gonna schedule the ASMR textbook reading stream. I thought it would be funny, because I was like, oh, I'm $10 away from a Twitch payout, so I might just do like a donathon for $10 from random people and do it as the textbook reading stream. So like have different things that you can do. I just think it'd be really funny. because I've never done one, but I just think the idea of doing it for only $10 is really funny. Okay, no, I'm sad about the Beat Saber, and this is why. I mentioned this before, but I was gonna have fluids lectures, like actual lectures that I'm recording, and I have to do portfolio stuff. I can't do like the lectures. I was gonna do them like this month and stuff, but I can't. But I will do this. The Beat Saber is gonna be like a promotional, like the reveal that like I've released them. So when I do Beat Saber, that means I'm going to, because I'm just gonna do fluids problems on it. Because I was like, what can I do that I'm gonna be able to actually do? Because I was like, I'm not gonna be able to like. I did a practice run where I was like, I can't like draw anything. I have to like talk through it. But I'm just gonna take fluids problems that I did like in my problem sets and stuff and like explain how to do them. So I did like a test run. I was like, can I even do a fluids problem like like while I'm playing Beat Saber? And I can, so it's okay. It's possible. I need a mid-plane. I feel like I use mid-plane enough where I should pin that to toolbar. Mid-plane between here. Oh, planes. Uh-oh. I recorded the level I was making and set under your art. No, the mic demon doesn't exist on my PC. I did not fix it. I'm going to stream Papa's Freezeria before I leave, and I'm just gonna do things to try and fix the mic demon on that stream. So that's also gonna happen. I fly out the 19th, so ASMR textbook reading is gonna happen before then, and the mic demon stream is gonna happen before then. Not the what's it called? We are gonna bring in at some point a exorcist? Is that the word? Yeah. I'm gonna find some exorcists to get the mic demon out. But I need to placate him for the time being, so. I think it's a power issue, but it might be. I'm gonna try getting a different cord. I'm gonna try, like, wiping all my drivers, all that stuff, so. But yeah, I know, it's kind of nice to not have everything blow up all the time, isn't it? How am I gonna make this? I want to make a mid-plane. I guess I just do an offset plane instead. I don't really need to do a mid-plane. TBH, it's right there. And then, on this... Oh my god, can I... It's literally an offset plane. Let me make a sketch on it. Alright. Oh, okay. My ears. No, it's not. I miss it. Oh my god. Rev is the only person who misses it. Well, I mean, I like Ro. I think he's a cutie, but he also is a troublemaker. It's okay. He'll be back in some other way. He's not gonna, like, be gone for our lives forever. Did I need to do that? I did not need to do that. I needed to do this one. I'm losing it. My eardrums will solve irreparable harm caused to them. I remember asking to do fan art of them? Of Ro? He does have a reference. I mean, I've drawn him before. Let me see this. Let me see this level. I'm gonna turn the music off just in case it's copyrighted music. Whoa, wait, this is so, like... This is so cinematic. How is this Geometry Dash? This is so cool. It's in my Discord, by the way, if anyone wants. He's in a better place now, Ro. Yeah, the better place is... still in my mic. What was I trying to... I'm trying to not... I don't need these. Let me get rid of this. Sorry, I'm all over the place. I don't need that. I need this. Need this line. Okay, project include project. Actually, an amateur level people made better than me. It made an entire RPG game? That's crazy. Why? I mean, well, why is kind of evil, because I mean, like, people run Doom on, like, a tampon. Or pregnancy. Not on a tampon, on a pregnancy test. Sorry. It's called Master Game? That's so cool. On a tampon. Sorry, that's really funny to me. They do not run Doom on a tampon. Okay, I think that's all the stuff I need. Oh, there we go. So I just need to make a line that goes up here. That's there, and then this are horizontal. Simplest sketch of my life. Not really. There's simpler ones. Alright, now we just have to edit this. Rails. Cannot achieve smoothness. Uh-oh. Huh! Why does it look like that? Oh wait, I need the other rail. Wait a second. Oh, I was so... Oh, guys. My life. Guys, fuck my life. Oh. Okay. What if I put 2 rails on it? And I do connected. Okay, it looks like garbage. I might just need to add more rails. But see, the issue is if I add rails, then we're really screwed. Oh. No, I can't. Oh. Because I need them to be tangent. I don't want them to... Oh, shit. Maybe I cut it and do a... Maybe I cut it and do a fillet. We could scuff this. We could scuff this. I don't know all the shit that I put on. Okay, wait a second. Let's just make sure that I can stitch these together even. Oh, I can. Okay, cool. I'm not gonna do that yet though, because I want to mirror this and this. Wow, I'm surprised that it doesn't let me... Oh no. I can't mirror it very well. Hold on, let me send another level. Let me see. I'll check it out. Let me eat this one bite of granola bar. Wait, what? How is this possible? Are they just drawing a bunch of shapes, like, at different angles? At what point do you just say, I'm making my own 3D rendering system? That's literally what this is. Like, you're just making a game engine at this point, inside another game engine. It's kind of like when people mod Minecraft so much that it's not Minecraft anymore, and it's like, just start doing Godot, or Unity, or something else. This is crazy. Oh, and now it's normal geometry. Oh, no it's not. How do you play this? This is like a video. Oh, it is a video, I guess. Someone made a programming language called Spawn, and it converts code to GD triggers. Oh, I see. So basically, I just find it so funny. I mean, I think that it's like, that's just such a classic, to object. Such a classic, what's the word? Like, just any coding person, I think, will be like, yeah, I do that. Sometimes it's just fun to make dumb stuff, but also sometimes you're like, man, like, you don't have to be doing all that. You could just be... Okay, stitch. They all stitch? Is it one body? This is all the other stuff. Where's this body? Hello? Oh, yes, it's a solid. It's a solid, chat, we did it! It actually doesn't look too bad. Yeah, I just need to cut. I think I'm just gonna cut here. And we'll deal with it. I don't know. I might have to solve that later. There are packages made for that language and add-ons and stuff. That's crazy. People be having fun with code, I will say. That's the C. Where's this stupid... Okay, so this is rename, this is CapCut. CapCut. And this is rename, seat sweep. Get rid of those. Nice. It's getting somewhere. It's not awful, it's just a little... I feel like also I do have to... Wait. Hold up. Plastic. I need like translucent plastic, not acrylic. We want like... translucent glossy polycarbonate? No. It'd probably just be like... that. Just put it on all these right now. One underneath too. And then make it more transparent. I don't know if that makes it more or less transparent. I can't really tell. It is a full object, so it's like... I'm gonna continue lurking, making the level. I'm probably gonna wrap up soon, because I do have to, like, do some other stuff before my... whatchamacallit? I have to shell this out, too, which is kind of frustrating. Okay, let's just bite the bullet and try and fix this. This dealio over here. So I'm gonna take this and make a sketch here. And it's gonna... No, not that. I lied. Point, midpoint. Not midpoint, but now it's midpoint. Project this. I feel like it's just good practice to project it. I think it projects it in Fusion automatically. But I just do it myself at this point, because I'm like, you know. Right? Oh, it's not locked on this way. Create, project include, project. Okay, I gotta select it again because it's awful. Alright, there we go. Nice. So that is our cut in half, which I'm just realizing does not need to be here. That's gonna need to be the other side. But that's fine, because we can just make it the other side. And then the cut we need to make for this one, it will line up with that one, so that's fine. Horizontal. Okay. I need to cut off this much. So there needs to be a point on this line that is... Oh, I can get rid of this point, because we'll just make this midpoint, and this coincident. Okay. I don't know how it's gonna go. We're gonna see what it looks like, and if it looks really bad, then we'll figure it out. Direction, or extent type all. Ooh, it was a little... Ooh. It's a little funky. How does it look with the body? It's definitely not what I want. I want like a smooth surface. But see, the other thing that's a little weird is like... I think the top is still not good enough. There needs to be some other sort of... It might be that like... I loft around this way and then use these as rails because I want this to be flat. I think that might have to be the way we do it. Because right now I'm lofting up and it's not really what I want, I think. Like it should be from here to here. Did I get rid of that sketch where I made those two rails? I can't remember. I think I might have. No, I didn't. Okay. I just want to try that. So getting rid of all the mirroring stuff. Just the mirror itself. Yeah, that's fine. And getting rid of the stitch. That's fine. And then... getting rid of this loft. Alright. So now, I want to try to loft from this... Oh, shoot. I want to loft at that intersection, not at the... Well, I guess it could just be a proof of concept if we use the... This is the... Oops. Cancel. I'm gonna rename these. These are side rails. This is the... Oh, I don't even know what that is. Oh, this I don't need. This is the... end cap cut. Sweep. This is the table top. Or sort of top. Also, I'm realizing I still need to do the bottom, so it probably needs to, like, get fixed. I'm surprised this is so challenging. I really didn't think it would be, but I guess that's just life. Okay, so if I sweep from here to here, and then I use the rails as this. Okay, don't chain select. If I use the rail as this. Oh shoot, it might still not really like me. Oh, it does, okay. And then the other one... Uh-oh. Ah, that's annoying. I think it's just... It might be because it's, like, 1-to-1. I think that's the issue I was having here. Like, I can't loft from here to here because they both... It doesn't know what to do here. So maybe if I shrink this slightly, that'll fix it. Let's try that. And then I have to, oh god, oh, fuck me, I don't really want to do that right now. It needs a, actually, maybe the sketch has a thing on it that I can, not really, but I can edit it so it does, okay. I just dislike making midpoint things, it's just kind of annoying, like, I really wish it would just scale to the midpoint of the object every single time. It would make it so much easier for everyone involved. And then, like, if you want to choose a different point to scale around, you can scale around that, but why would you... Most of the time, you want to scale it around, you know, the point that you want to scale it around. Okay, so I just made it a little smaller. Now let's try to loft again. Oh, but now the rails aren't gonna... the rails aren't gonna go. Okay, what if I just try my other loft? This one. And then we say tangent edges. I mean, it's certainly better. And then I guess I could cut, actually, you know, maybe... No, okay, wait, I got it. Wait, we're cooking. Okay. This is good. That's very good, actually. Shrinking it was definitely the right choice. And then... What I'm going to do is I'll cut out a bit here that it'll loft into that. We are doing some gigabrain stuff right now. Where is this? What other goofy stuff was I doing? This does not need to be. Well. Kind of. Lol. I guess I could just do this. It doesn't need this part. It doesn't need any of that either. I gotta do that after it's a solid. So I'll just put that there. Now, get rid of the tabletop, do this, create sketch. And just a simple spline, please. Oh boy, okay. Horizontal there. Project this, whatever this is. Oh, I can use P to project? Oh my god, that's so much faster. Let's try it. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Oh my god, that's actually so beautiful. Holy shit. I don't know why I didn't look for the keyboard shortcut. It's because I'm not that fast yet, chat. I'm not that awesome. Okay, this and this horizontal, this and this equal. Alright, now I can start tweaking. No, I just need to make it. I should make it. There's no reason I should not mirror this. It should be mirrored. There's zero reason it should not be mirrored. Okay. Something like... I don't know why that's so picky. What's happening here? Oh. I don't know what's happening. What did I accidentally like make this equal to something? It feels like it's equal to something. What is it doing? It's not letting me shrink it. Oh god. What the hell? Are one of these coincidence or something? Yeah, there we go. It was coincident to this, that's so funny. Okay, I think that looks good, maybe, and then mirror this over this. Alright. And then we cut down the whole thing. Right now I'm not going to worry about the bottom part because it'll be the same kind of dealio. Actually, I should worry about the bottom part, I lied. God damn it. Go before I made that sketch and we'll do the mirroring. And the mirror plane is the one that I made last, probably. Yeah, it's not exactly right, but it will be right when I actually change that distance there, because I think it's set at the midpoint of that. And then should I surface it, or should I make it a solid first? I actually don't think it really matters. Now we have that sketch, and now we say surface, split face, splitting tool, faces to split, this, 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 this. Okay. We're getting there, chat. And then delete so much. Delete all this. No, not that. Delete that. Delete. Oh, geez. Delete that and that. And then we do another loft. Oh! Jump scared myself. Okay, this loft is gonna be weird. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. That is not the right chain selection. Oh god, okay. Uh-oh, 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 we've already fucked that up. No, don't do that. I'm gonna, like, manually go through and select all this. Okay, we're so close. Okay. And then loft. Why are there so many what the fab is hell is happening? No, no. I only want one. No, literally what is it doing? It's stupid. It's stupid. It's stupid. Fusion. Please. Is that not continuity? Oh my god. How is it not continuity? What if I just... Oh, wait, I can patch. I can patch? I think? Oh, wait, it's because they're not stitched together? I'm trying so many things. Also, I don't know why there's a seam there. Just don't worry about it right now. Don't worry about it. Stitch. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now it's a whole thing. Now, if I try to patch... Okay, I'm gonna try to loft this to... Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. It says failed. I don't like failed. Oh, shoot. Is it because this isn't... This is multiple bodies? No, it's one body. Fusion! It's gonna get mad at me if I do all these edges. But let's just try it. Okay. Awesome! Not a real thing. Okay, that needs to be a loft. Ah, what if I do like the top first, and then no, I need to do this profile to this profile. Is it cause it's flat? Ooh. Actually, wait a second. That isn't that bad. It's kind of weird here, but that's not that bad. It is definitely weird there. But that could just be the angle that I chose. Like on the bottom, it actually doesn't... No, it's kind of weird there. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, let me change my... this a little bit. If I cut more into this, it might be better. Not really. It's like, if I do more, it'll be better, chat. Don't worry about it. What if I did less? Because less is more. Oh, it doesn't like that! Oh, wait. But it did it anyway. Huh? What is that? I'm not really sure how that is possible right now. Oh, it's because it deleted the bodies wrong. That's why. Yeah, that would do it. I don't want that. I want you to delete that. Yeah. I was like, how? It's kind of interesting. I definitely want to have it be more of a curve here, so I'll have to like explore that. But that just will be a weird loft with more rail stuff to deal with. And then let's just, for the fun of it, this probably is not reifine. Yep, there, and then extrude. Sorry, turn on that. This and this. Uh-oh, it's not a body. Teehee. No, I can still cut. Nice. And then we just take all of this for 1 second and we paste it. Oh, and Fusion really doesn't like that. I guess I could just stitch everything together. That might, like, make it like me more. Oh god, don't do that. I know there are some free edges, Fusion, but, like, chill out. Doesn't really want me to move copy this, huh? Modify? Oh, move copy. That's a move. I want to copy. What? That's so weird. Oh god, I have to like go somewhere in 8 minutes. I did not think I was going to be streaming this long. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Last thing. I just want to move copy this. Why is it not letting me move copy it? Move copy and... Move and Bro! I'm gonna create copy, yes! It just does not want to create a copy of a body. Create component. I don't care. Paste component, there we go. That, and then this, and this. Join. Continue. There we go. I don't want them to be rigid. Stop being rigid on ground. There we go. Ground this one. I don't care. That's what it looks like so far. It doesn't actually look too bad. That's pretty cool. I want it to be smaller, definitely, so that you know, we'll figure that out. And I want the table to be a bit bigger, but like that's just proportions. That's just, you know, that's the easy stuff. And it'll be cool because I'll do some different like takes, I guess. Alright, thanks everybody for hanging out. I do have to go now. I will be back on Monday. We're gonna be doing something. I don't know what we're gonna be doing on Monday. Maybe I'll say like... I guess I could do the Papa's Freezeria stream on Monday if I don't have anything else. That'd be kind of fun. But it was fun hanging out. We talked a lot about Riz. I did not expect that, but the Kermit Riz, you know, big claps for that. Alright, I'll see you guys then. Bye. Thanks for hanging out.